Bago ang Love Month, may pahabol ang Pure Gold sa kanilang mobile app. More choices, more fun ang offer ni Tita P. Mag-add to cart lamang mula sa food and appliances. I-check out ang mga bagong items sa mobile app ng Pure Gold. Tandaan, basta sa Pure Gold, always panalo. Sasalubungin po natin ng Chinese New Year. Kasama rin sa inaabangan ay ang mga forecast sa Year of the Wood Snake.
Yan. Sino nga ba ang mga masiswerteng signs o zodiac signs ngayong 2025? At ano yung mga dapat iwasan? Kasama na natin ang expert dyan. Walang iba kundi si Miss Marites Allen. Siyang tinaguri ang The Real Feng Shui Queen. Hi, Marites!
Good afternoon!
Happy
New Year!
I think, sabi ko, sino bang nagbigay ng pangalan? Si Tito Boy.
Hi, Tito Boy. Sino pa? Hi, Tito Boy.
Hello. It's good to see you again, guys.
Likewise.
From London. So the last time I saw you both was you were in London enjoying the beautiful, scenery.
Ganun na katagal, Marites. Kasi 10th anniversary pa namin that time. That was in 2013.
Oh my God, already?
It's been a long time, But we haven't aged.
Nothing. Thank you so much sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin.
Welcome.
Malapit
Thank you also.
Oo nga.
Welcome. Pero bago lang, may first question
Isang gabi
ako.
na lang,
Bago yung talagang, natin, mga zodiac signs. Okay ba yung studio namin? Anong vibes mo sa aming studio?
Of course. I mean,
Marites?
number one, you have the red, which is like, the red is color of money in 2025. Tapos ngayon, may dala ko dito na, we can actually cleanse everybody.
Ay, gusto ko yan, yung cleansing. Wait. Let me take a video of you. Alright. Okay, what are you doing now, Marites?
Cleansing of the energy of the studio.
Oh.
Ang ganda, diba? So
Ang ganda ng sound.
the ball is actually very auspicious and very happy. So, yung mga nanonood sa atin mamaya, if you like to be blessed later, if you have some special wishes, if you feel may mga sakit ka dyan sa mga hinanakit sa ibang tao, or you wanna just like get rid of any illness, may mga problema ka sa buhay. If you want your wish to come true, stay tuned. Because mag-cleansing po tayo.
Ay, ang ganda ng tunog. Wow! Saan ba makakakuha ng na yan? Cleansing wall na yan, Marites?
Dito po yan sa ating Friga Charm Life. You can get it from Lazada or Shopee or sa aming store. But mamaya, di ba? Ang ganda
ang ganda ng tunog.
Yes, meaning the energy is
The energy is good, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And because, you people, beautiful couple, you deliver a very good news to the public. So somebody who sees from the other side of the screen are being entertained by what you do. Diyos ko naman sa London, nakatira ako doon. Tinitingnan ko yung ating news ni Julius. Anong oras na ba yan? Hindi man makatch up. Kailangan manood na. So, it's a good thing. So if you're asking ang energy, it's very, very good energy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So it's very lively.
Nasa tao din no? Sa tao din.
And ipapa, natin yan sa kanila. To those who is watching us right now, standby po kayo. I-ready nyo na yung mga wishes nyo.
Ayan.
Na tayo. Go na, Papo.
Explain mo muna, Marites, ano ba ang significance o ano ba yung what awaits us sa Year of the Wood Snake?
Yes, okay. So the last time the Year of the Wood Snake happened was in 1965. So 60 years ago, because there are 5 elements, 12 animal signs. So that's 60 years ago. So kung ikaw ay manganganak ngayong year, the Year of the Wood Snake yan.
Yeah.
If you are turning 60 this year, then you are Year of the Wood Snake. So parang you have completed the cycle. So congratulations sa mga nanonood ng mga 60 years old this year. You have completed the cycle. You can, parang sabi nila, you can do no wrong.
Hindi lang pala senior card.
Diba?
You can do no wrong.
Yes, diba? Kasi senior card, no? So this year is actually a different year because that's why we call it parang a year of transformation. The snake kasi, mga kaibigan, they really parang they shed skin, diba? Several times. How painful it could be, it could also be applied sa mga tao na alam mo na, pagbabago na kung hindi mo nagawa noon, ilang taon na, ilang buwan na, ito na mga kaibigan, ang pagkakataon na ikaw na mismo ang magbigay ng, i-impose mo na sa sarili mo na magbago ka. Bago in a way na, di ba, nung una, nagigising ka ng alas 12 ng umaga, dapat baka you can belong to the 5 a.m. club. Kaya sila napakaswerte. because they really start the day, right?
Yeah.
So mga kaibigan, this is the year to really start it right now. Ang mga snake, mga kaibigan, is really, pag ang snake kasi hindi mo siya atakehin, if you won't provoke it, it will not fight back.
Ayun.
Right? The snake just go on its flow. Just move. You just like climb and crawl and everything. Be like a snake. Stay on your lane. Parang is the subtle and the nicest way to say, mind your own business, di ba?
Wag makialam sa buhay ng ibang tao.
Di ba kasi
Oo.
ngayon, lahat, karamihan sa mga tao, we spend so much time on mga nega, nire-reshare pa, wag na yon. If
So
you
in
wanna,
short, wag maging marites.
yes, wag maging marites.
Yung
Ako na mismo nagsasabi
ikaw
sa inyo.
Si Marites na mismo
Maging
nagsasabi,
mabuting marites.
don't waste your time. Pwede
naman
namang maging
siguro,
mabuting
di ba, na
marites.
Magkwento ng mga bagay-bagay
Na
na positive.
Correct.
Pwede yun. Spread the
Yes.
good news.
Yes, not
Spread the word of
negative.
God. Wag yung
Oo,
chismis na kakasira.
exactly.
Okay,
So,
tama.
ibalik mo sa sarili mo. This is the time that you really have to do it for yourself.
Oo. Ano ang mga
Tayo.
signs ang maswerte?
Maswerte, syempre. Unahin natin yung mga monkey kasi best
Uy.
friend ni monkey si Snake.
Ay, best friend
yes!
mo pala si Snake. Grabe ka. Ito na nga.
Mayaman.
Sinimulan mo na.
Ako
Ayan na.
Ako ni BFF.
Mayaman ka this year ang
Oo.
mga
Wow,
monkey.
naku naman.
So,
Oo.
bigyan natin sila ng maswerteng araw.
Sana.
The day is wealth, the month is wealth, and the year is wealth.
Grabe.
It's going to be on February. Ba, matumaya sila ng loto at
Oo,
saka
kailan,
mga
kailan,
ano.
kailan?
February.
Okay. So, February 10.
Feb 10. Hmm.
Sandali. I rewind. February 10.
Okay.
February
10.
18.
18.
Mhm.
February 10, sorry. February 19 and February 28.
Yan,
So,
tatlong
10,
yan.
19, 28.
Yes.
10,
Ba-
19, 28.
Do
Okay.
you know that
Ano
that
meron?
only happens, Julius, once in every 9 years?
Okay.
So, makukuha nyo lahat ng mga numero dito sa ating feng shui planner.
Anong gawin namin sa 9, ay, sa
Ano?
10, 19, and
Tumaya ka ng
28?
loto,
Tumaya ng
magpadala ka
loto.
ng
Magpirma ka ng
sponsorship,
kontrata.
Magpirma ka ng kontrata, you know, sweepstake, nandito na, Julius.
Oy, thank you.
Na
Thank you.
888.
Oh, huwag kalimutan guys, tumaya kayo sa Feb 10, 19, tsaka 20.
Oo,
At
kaya na.
itago nyo mabuting ticket, baka mawalaan nyo.
So, mayaman ang mga monkey this year.
Oh, pero sa mga monkey lang ba yan, yung mga dates na binigay mo?
Especially sa monkey, the
Especially.
second is the ship. It only happens once in every 9 years. So please huwag niyong sayangin. So the whole year, mga kaibigan, very wealthy ang forecast sa mga monkey. Anything na gusto mong pasukan, pasukin mo na.
Hala, anything daw, Papo.
Tapos
Yung
another
legal lang,
one.
ha? Charot.
Yung other one is the rooster. The rooster naman is another allies of the snake. Ox, snake, and rooster are allies
Okay.
and friend. Mukhang may nag-aano doon.
Oo, meron may
Oo,
mga
meron.
rooster sa loob.
Nag-ano na sila.
Okay.
Compare notes.
Congratulations. Or swerte sila sa mga, kunyari, if they want to learn a new language, travel, get married, have a proposal. If you wanna, apply ka for parang promotion, increase ng salary, this is the time for you. Mga rooster yan. So maganda. Pag magandang taon mo, di ba, you feel so good?
Yeah.
And then another one, of course, is the horse.
Horse.
Ang horse,
Okay.
mga kaibigan,
Horse.
they will become parang very attractive to everybody. Lahat na lang gusto ka talagang makilala, gusto na lang parang
Maki-ride on?
Maki-ride on sa'yo.
Horse, eh.
So, you become like instantly attractive to everybody. Para bang kahit may mali ka, okay lang.
Ganun.
Ito yung panahon na kahit nagkakamali ka na, di ba yung mga gano'n na okay lang yan.
Sinasakyan ka pa din.
Yes, because you
Literally
really
horse.
are very powerful. So,
Uy, okay.
the horse can parang, I would say, parang anything that it touches can turn into gold.
Oh, wow.
Parang
diba?
Midas touch.
Midas touch.
Love it. Next.
Then we have the rabbit. The rabbit
Rabbit.
has the so-called future prosperity star, number 9. Anything that you want to do can even multiply and give back to you in return 9 times.
Wow!
Diba, yan?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, mga rabbit, magagaling yan.
Ibig sabihin, utang nagiging times 9.
yung interest, pasensya ka na, pero gumandang kita nung isa, kaya binigyan ka pa ng extra. Ganun lang yan. Okay. Then we have the
Next.
dragon. The
Dragon.
dragon will have the so-called victory star number 1. Anything that you wanted to start, anything that you want to begin, ito na, simulan mo na. Huwag ka nang magpa-delay-delay pa. Mga dragon yan, victorious. Another one is we have the snake. Siyempre,
Ayun
yung
na,
snake,
snake.
this is your
Siyempre.
year, no? Lahat na lang nakatingin sa'yo ngayon. So, mag-ingat ka rin. Kasi although maswerte ka, however, pagka mali yung napakita mo, ay di, marami nakafocus sa'yo ngayon. So, siguro you go for the safety side, which is the positive side. Think positive. Now, mga kaibigan, when a dragon and snake meets, they create the so-called house of magic. So, kung sino dyan ang mga dragon and snake na couple, na mga partners, pwede nilang maging, maunlad yung kanilang pagsasama. Then, the sheep. The sheep also will have another opportunity for prosperity and career as well. So sa mga taong hindi natin masyadong, how do you call it, hindi naman sa hindi sila maswerte, the likes of tiger, ox, rat, and dog, and boar, they have the so-called parang mga mainit ang ulo, kailangan yun ng mga peace and harmony, especially the dog. Mag-ingat sa mga pipirmahang kontrata because, baka it could become...
Ikaw mamu yan, ha?
Yeah, mag-ingat sa mga, kasi sometimes, hindi ikaw mainit ang ulo, mapapainit ang ulo mo because of the things around you. You'll get affected. Si rat naman, wag sila magpapautang because, it's gonna be robbery. Kailangan mo ng anti-robbery. Okay?
Kasi pa nagpautang, para ka nanakawan.
Yes.
Ganun ba yun?
Wala nang bayaran.
Yes.
Wala
Tapos
nang
naman
bayaran.
si ox and tiger, they have the so-called misfortune star. So, kailangan mo ng anti-misfortune amulet. So, we have a lot of those mga pangontra,
May pangontra,
pampaswerte.
no?
Oo. Punta lang po kayo sa Friga Charm Life.
Si BBM, ano ang kanyang sign?
Rooster.
Rooster. Uy, pareho
So
sila ni
good.
Digong.
Sure.
Yes.
Pangatlong
Oo,
maswerte.
yes,
Ay, pareho
yes.
pala
Sir,
sila.
so swerte sila ngayong taon.
Para sila magsasabong.
Of course. Oo.
Rooster, pareho ka mo, di ba, Papo?
pareho
O, di
rooster.
ba? O, parang nagsasabong in
Sino?
a way sa mga
VP Sara.
statements.
I believe she is a horse.
Oy,
So horse has a
swerte.
very good
Pangatlo.
sign. Yeah.
Oo.
But remember mga kaibigan, as I always discuss this.
Teka, hindi pa tayo tapos. Sa sarat pa lang
Oo.
tayo, ha?
Oo, so
Wala pa yung dog.
yung dog.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6,
So,
7, 8 pa lang.
Kahit anong sabihin natin na maswerte yung iyong sign, pag uuwi ka naman sa bahay na malas pala yung tinutulugan mo,
Oo.
delikado rin.
Ha?
So, diba, some people, they say, oh, I thought I was very lucky, pero natutulog ka pala sa misfortune star ng bahay, robbery, arguments. So, mahirap din. So, when you follow feng shui, tingnan nyo naman na doon ka naman matulog sa maswelting party ng bahay. Kung gusto mo ng pera this year, edi pumunta ka sa southwest. Southwest is the direction of the sheep and monkey. Nandun ang ating wealth star. Kaya mayaman talaga ang mga monkey this year.
Wow, grabe ka na, Papu, ha? Nililista ko na yung mga utangin ko sa'yo, charot.
Yeah, okay? So,
Hindi monkey business, ha?
Oo, so ang
Legit
mga-
na business.
So,
Legit.
tingnan nyo rin yung parang facing direction ng bahay nyo, di ba? If it's facing east, prosperity yan. If you are facing southeast, victory. If it's facing south, then heaven's luck.
Southwest.
So, southwest, money.
Ay,
ba?
Oh, di ba?
Southwest tayo.
Southwest ba tayo?
So,
Money
meaning,
talaga, money.
use it all the time.
Oo, southwest tayo.
Get off there, put a water fountain is good.
O,
And
kaya
also
may
west
meron
naman
tayong water
good.
fountain sa harap,
So,
oo.
so these are the directions na kailangan natin. So, these are mga guidance na pwede nyo namang matingnan sa ating mga horoscope book.
Yeah.
Everybody, mga kaibigan, we have our all mga lucky and unlucky months. Ano mga kailangan yung gawin? Nandito na po siya lahat. It's also available on Kindle version.
Kindle version and
Yes.
Lazada,
And then,
Shopee.
Lazada, Shopee.
Sa Friga, no? Friga?
Friga Charm Life at saka sa aming website, friga.com.ph.
How do you spell Friga?
Friga.
Yun, double G.
Friga.com.ph.
Ayun. Yung mga bag, Marites, para sa mga, you can wear, literally wear, as a fashionista, di ba? Yung mga bag na lalong papasukan ng pera at mga wallet, sorry, excuse, na papasukan ng pera.
The color of the year for money is red. Diba? So, ayan, diba? Yung mantra shawl
Ganda.
mo. So, this is actually, hindi po siya ordinaryong bag lang. It has
Yeah.
a special mantra here. At saka yung lining niya sa loob, nandun na rin yung mga flow of money sa
Ayun,
loob.
pati yung loob.
Diba? Oo. So, this even stops you from losing your money. So, that's for
Pasok
the...
lang ng pasok.
Yes,
Kung dyan
for
ko
the
ipapasok ang mga
women,
cheque, Papu.
We have 5 colors. The element of fire is red. Then we have the white is for metal. Green is for the wood. Black is for the water. And we have the cream for the earth. Meron din po tayo sa men.
Ayun,
Diba?
meron.
So, kung titingnan nyo isang sa men, meron din siyang lining din na auspicious mantra.
Ayun, Papu for men.
So, may you never have to lose any cash, Julius. And may all the monies from all sources financially come to you
Wow.
by by most years.
Wow,
Thank
Papu.
you.
Wow, red and black.
Parang gusto ko yung red.
Yes, di ba?
Hindi, black sa'yo, akin yung red.
Gusto ko yung red eh. Okay.
Ito yung red
Kahit
mo.
naiiwan mo sa lamesa, makikita mo eh.
Ito yung red mo.
Ayun,
di ba?
akin yung bag
Yes,
ko.
yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Tapos,
Maritas,
meron
yun yung
tayo-
sa show namin ni MJ Marpori.
Yes.
Remember, guest ka namin ng
Yes.
Sabado. Thank you.
Anti-robbery yan, mga kaibigan.
Anti-robbery? Galing ha?
Paano
Galing, ah.
hindi talaga
Hindi mabubuksan.
mananakaw? Or,
Well, you
or-
know, walang parang they will lose interest.
Oo, mahirapan eh.
Yung pala
Oo,
yun.
pero
Thank you,
kailangan
Marites.
learning
Wait,
mo
how
to-
much ito para dun sa mga nanonood ngayon, nagtatanong if they
Oo.
want to
They
also
they
have
can
their
actually
own?
get it from Friga, nandun yung ating website. Darling, this is what
Yan.
the dog needs. Peace and harmony.
O yun, kailangan
kailangan
nyo
ng
yan.
dog.
Thank you. Para sa
Yes.
mga ka-year ko, Year of the Dog.
Peace and harmony, avoid arguments, legal problems. So, siguro iba, si Julius ang papirmahin mo, dear.
Oh, siya.
Siya ang haharap.
Ako tagabayad.
Papirma lahat.
Oo.
Yes, ganun lang yan.
Kung saan ilalagay? Anywhere? Sa bag?
Sa bag na lang.
Anywhere,
Ay,
oh.
meron na to. So,
or
another
you,
bag.
Yeah, you can remove that or you can actually use it for your keychain sa bahay, sa mga car
Okay.
keys.
Thank you,
Oo.
Marites.
So these are all
What else?
guidance, mga kaibigan. Marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin sa bahay, parating na Chinese New Year.
Oo.
Anong dapat gawin sa bahay? Ito na, yung mga nanonood.
Paano
sa akin.
sasalubungin ang
Yan.
2025?
Oo. So, meron tayong, of course, apart sa mga lucky charms na kailangan nilang isuot, na again, atin na siyang na-bless pala when you buy it, is already blessed. Alam niyo ba na sa Chinese New Year, karamihan sa mga tao kumakain ng tikoy.
Yes, tama.
Tikoy
di ba
is very
nakasanayan?
sticky.
Correct.
So, because you only have nice things to say to each other. Ayan, di ba? So, I don't know kung mga anak mo, gigisingin mo, oy, kumain ka ng tikoy ngayon, ha?
So, yun yung dapat gawin.
Oh,
Kumain
sa
ng
umaga,
tikoy.
Kumain ng tikoy. So, you only have nice things to say to each other and it's sticky because you only want to be like connected to each other. Okay?
That's the bisperas of Chinese New Year or
Yes.
Chinese
O
New
pwede
Year
sa
itself?
first thing in the morning, the breakfast of January 29.
Yun na.
Okay, yun na.
Breakfast of January
Tapos
29.
parang awan nyo naman, huwag naman kayo maging tamad sa January 29.
So, ano
Magising
dapat
kayo
gawin?
maaga.
Maglinis? Ano?
Okay, unang-una, tapusin nyo na po ngayong gabi, bukas, yung paglilinis.
Ay,
O, hindi kayo pwede maglinis sa January 29.
Oh.
Wear something red, huwag kayo mag-black. The whole of the 15 days of Chinese New Year is very lucky, very auspicious.
Yeah.
Tapos meron tayong siyempre mga oranges, mga apples. Some people, they do it for, parang mga offerings ng mga circle and round. Kung kaya mong gamitin yung 168 na configurations, maganda yon. Kanya
Ano yun? Isang suha.
Yes, ang
Yan.
suha.
Okay.
Tapos 6
Anim na, ay, ito tama,
oranges.
anim na oranges.
Perfect, di ba? Tapos yung grapes natin is pwede kang kumuha dyan ng isang kapun, di ba?
Oo, isang ganon.
Yes.
8.
Pwede rin. Kasi di ba some people, this is, ang mahal-mahal kayo ng grapes.
Or 8 ket ka.
Yes. Oo. You can make it 168 because it's lucky. Yes.
So, tatlo lang.
Tapos,
1, 6, and 8.
You can do that. Some people, they do it 9 also, 9 of each kind.
9 of each.
9 of each
Yes,
kind. Of
which is
any
sobra
fruit.
naman.
Oo, sobra. Mas okay na yung
Oo nga.
168.
Yes.
Medyo kailangan malaki budget doon.
Correct.
Oo,
Oo.
168 na tayo.
Pero mga kaibigan, para maging maswerte talaga kayo, stand by, we're gonna do cleansing here
Yeah.
para isipin niyo po yung mga bagay na gusto mangyari sa buhay ninyo na clear in your head.
Yan.
Tapos kasi sabi ko nga, Jules, sabi ko
Yeah.
nga, no matter, di ba pupunta tayo minsan sa simbahan, kahit ano po ang bis ng holy water sa atin, if you go back home na yung loob mo, di ba, hindi ka peaceful, parating nakapag-away, ganun din the negativity will come back.
Yeah, tama.
Same thing po sa feng shui, mga kaibigan. If you have to say, okay, you share what you have. Like the noodles actually is for longevity. 'Di ba? Kesa naman
May noodles din kami.
Yes, meron kaming noodles dito,
Okay.
longevity.
Ganito, no?
Diba?
We're running out of time, so kailangan gawin na natin yung cleansing. Pero before
Yes.
natin gawin yan, invite mo muna.
Ayan
Paano
yan,
kanila
promote mo
kukontakin?
na.
Oh yes, please. So please come and join me. In fact, on January 29, meron kaming blessing 6 p.m. at the Manila House. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-attend, please sign up. It's on our fan page, Marites Allen. At saka sa aming fan page also ng Friga Charm Life. Ayan po. Yan. Sundan nyo lang po kami, Marites Allen. On YouTube, TikTok, natututo na rin ako dahil sa inyo. Thank you.
So, ano gagawin ng mga viewers natin sa cleansing?
Okay, so what they can do is, please try to think of the things you want to achieve. And then, kung gusto nyo ng dalawa, you can also try.
Sige. Okay.
Ganda ng tunog.
Okay, trial pa ito mga kaibigan. Then, you slowly lang, as in slowly lang siya. Tin, you have to put it in the rubber. Remove the paper, please.
Rubber. Ito pala. Sorry.
Yan o, di ba?
Yan.
Okay, so everybody, please make your wish. This is your
Sa
time
akin,
to be
wala.
cleansed. Anything that you want to be removed from your life, any problems, any challenges, let them dissipate. And to those with illness right now, may you be blessed and come back to a very, very healthy life. May your family be blessed with a lot of good luck and prosperity. Okay, ready? I'm gonna say, I'm sure it's gonna reach you. 1.
Okay.
Yan. Okay.
Ganda ng sound. Parang kini-cleanse talaga.
Yeah, you know,
Thank
if
you.
every day of your life, if you wanna leave the house, you just cleanse yourself. Mainit ang ulo, you cleanse yourself. Gusto mong maging super masaya, you cleanse yourself.
Galing.
Thank you, Marites.
Thank you so
Allen.
Wish you had
much.
all the time.
Yes, see you
Such a-
January 29,
Yes.
Manila House, 6 p.m. You can register for our cleansing and blessing. So, if you're going through a tough times, especially the boar animal sign, kasi it's your contra year, you need the Tai Sui amulet, the dog as well. You're cool naman, so just
Thank
don't
you.
Parang
argue.
gusto ko makipagsosyalan dyan sa Manila House na yan, ha?
Yes, oo.
Ha?
Meron na kayong table doon.
Marites.
Meron silang table.
Thank you, Marites Allen. Kontakin nyo na lang po siya sa kanyang mga socials kapag may mga inquiries kayo.
Happy Chinese New Year, guys!
Thank you.
Bye, Marites.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Basta-basta na lang nila akong pinagbintangan ng mali at ikinulong. Nung nasa bilangguan ako noon, akala ko mahirap makamit ang hustisya.
Siniguro po namin na siya po'y lalabas at wala pong banta.
Kay Ben Bitag Tulpo, di kailangan mag-alala sa kaligtasan laban sa mapang-abuso.
Sa lahat ng mga mapang-abuso, may kalalagyan kayo. Kay Ben Bitag Tulfo, lalaban ka, di ka iiwan.
Hi, mahal.
Huwag mo akong matawag-tawag na mahal. Mura ako, tandaan mo, mura.
Pagkaing mura.
Asahan mo kay Senator Kiko.
Kain na!
Kiko Pangilinan sa Senado.
And the Best of Show CMMA is awarded to Julius and Tintin para sa Pamilyang Pilipino by Signal TV 1PA.
Maraming salamat, Catholic Mass Media Awards, sa pagkilala sa Julius and Tintin para sa Pamilyang Pilipino. Magsisilbing hamon ng parangal para sa mas malaki pang misyon. Yan ang makinig sa inyong kwento at tumulong sa Pamilyang Pilipino.